Um, the tenacious nature of the material. This happens to be a part for a mount for a solar panel, and instead of producing it in steel, we make it in basalt, and this is much less expensive than steel. Never ever rust, impervious to UV, and makes a really interesting part that goes on a solar panel. Channels, different thicknesses of parts that can be produced with the material. There's a lot of things that we can do with it. That the key was our methodology of coating the basalt fibers to be able to run them at high speed. I want to say a little bit something about concrete and steel. We've been putting concrete or steel and concrete to reinforce it for 100 years, getting exactly the same results. Steel rusts. When it rusts, it swells, causes what we call spalling, splits it open and fails to part. In this day and age, with the internet and the ability to communicate, it's easy to find data on the millions and millions of dollars of testing that's been done on steel and concrete, all of which conclusively prove that steel rusts. All the galvanizing and zinc chromating that's done are all band-aids. They're all treating the symptom of the cause. The cause is steel rust. It doesn't belong there. Composites are destined to get into civil engineering, building, precast industry, the same way that they now are beginning to dominate aircraft. Before that, it was the marine industry with boats. Composites offer a tremendous advantage over steel. They just need to be used the right way, and people need to be educated on them. We all know that the civil engineering community, the building community in general, are very risk averse. And I believe that the best way to sell our products, the products of composites, into that industry is to use the risk-averse nature of this conservative industry to help us sell. It could be argued that it's much more litigiously irresponsible to continue to put steel and concrete getting the same result. That's more important than the risk aversity of somebody not wanting to change because they're afraid they'll make a mistake. It's time that they get off the fence